back to a new video. We are back at the skate park. It's been about 4 weeks since I've been at a skate park. I had an injury, a re-injury, something very stupid. I hurt my SI joint, if anyone's really curious. It's the base of your back and I twisted and it sucked. It's a learning experience. This is the second time I did it and I know what I did. I know what I have to do to heal, and that's what we're doing. I'm out of pain, we're good. Rehabbing it, but getting back to the skate park at the same time. I do have a challenge for today's video, and in this challenge we'll be using my wheels. I'm gonna take these two wheels, roll them across the skate park in different directions, and then from one to the other I have to complete different hold tricks. And once we're done with the challenge, I'll be giving away these wheels to a random comment, so don't forget to subscribe and give some comments down below. I'm not sure if this is a common thought, but just based on me rewatching some of my most recent videos in the last 2 months, a lot of you are probably asking two things. One, where the hell's the bandana? Give you a reason. I spent my entire life in the sun with no sunscreen, and I realized as you get older, I realized that that is not a good idea. So I'm trying to protect my face when I'm in the sun. In the mornings and at night, bandana's on. It's my favorite thing. It's the most comfortable. You guys know it's part of me keeping my skin healthy, being aware of my skin and trying to keep it healthy. As some of you might know, I am 36 years old. I'm pretty sure I'm the oldest scooter rider, the oldest active pro scooter rider in existence. That sounds bad and good at the same time. Bad because I miss being younger. Good is because I want to set the bar. A lot of my content has been focusing on health, wellness, exercise, good diet, longevity. I love scootering so much that I want to scooter for as long as possible, trying to take care of myself as best as possible and give you guys some inspiration on what I'm doing. And if it can work for you, start now. I got my flat scoot with me. I purposely left my other scooter at home. This is gonna force me to kind of take it easy and work on more balance tricks and do this challenge. So I'm gonna do 5 different hold tricks across the pyramid just to warm up. I'm really tempted to try this stuff, but I can feel my SI joint. It doesn't hurt, it just feels a little tender. I got a pair of my SIG wheels, teal and purple. I rode them for maybe 2 weeks, and I kind of hit the brake a little hard on one, so there's a tiny little flat spot on one. But if you ride this in the back wheel for, I don't know, a week at the skate park, it'll go away. I just have a lot to spare, and I figured we can do something fun in today's video. I got my signature wheels, and we're doing another wheel challenge. I'm gonna toss the first wheel, let it roll around the park somewhere. That's gonna be the starting point. Throw the second one wherever this one lands will be the ending point. We'll have to do 3 tricks from the first wheel to the second wheel. Let's go. All right, here's the first marker. All right, the second one is going this way. And the second marker. Luckily, we got a straightaway from one wheel to the next. Let's get 3 tricks. First one's a nose manual. I actually thought we got lucky because it seems the straightaway is the perfect setup, but there's so many dips and waves. All right, the next one's gonna be a no-handed wheelie. Last trick, hang 10, triple half lash. Don't forget to subscribe for daily videos. What a mission, holy crap. The first wheel, I rolled it, it landed nice. The second wheel, went out of the park twice. And the second time it went out of the park, it went into a river. And I had to go get it because I'm not gonna be able to do a trick into a river. That was frustrating. And when they both landed in a straight line, it's like, oh, I made it. I'm gonna do harder tricks now because this is a straight line. Nope, this skate park has all these dips and waves. That made it very difficult. That was supposed to be fun. That was a mission. Anyways, giveaway. Comments, blow them up. You gotta blow them up. There's unlimited entries. You can enter as many times as you want. Let me know where you're from. Introduce yourself, say something cool. Let me know why you would want these wheels, why you need them. Do you really need them? Do you know someone who does need them? You want to give them away? Comments, blow them up. I'll send these wheels out in about a week. And I'm going to pick a comment down below. If you made it this far, congratulations. You have a chance to win the wheels. And if you made it this far, congratulations. You get to see a new personal record that I just achieved. I posted on Instagram a few days ago. Check this out. It's my first ever fakie 6 whiplash. As the year goes on, I'm gonna figure out how to incorporate some of my routines, some of the things I do in order to prolong the life of riding a scooter, be able to ride as long as possible. I'm the kind of person that loves routine because routine is discipline, and discipline seems very intimidating to most people who don't have it, but incorporating a routine really helps me stay disciplined. The last trip was, I was trying to think of something cool, like a wall ride looking bank style half lash, trying to cross the flatland with park. I don't know, that's the plan for me. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, blow up the comments for those wheels, and I'll see you in the next one.